Hello everyone, my name is Madan Mate. Today is 11th August in 2022 and today's video topic is check exception and unchecked exception. Let's see, first of all talk about the exception handling in Java. What is the exception in Java? And what is the hierarchy of exception in Java? Let us talk about the exception in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to the normal runtime errors that normal flow of application can be maintained. Then exception is a normal program is disturbed to the program, that is the exception. The In this tutorial we will learn about the Java exception, its types, and difference between checked exception and unchecked exception. The Java long throwable classes is the root class of the Java exception. Hierarchy of inherit by two subclasses, exception and errors. The hierarchy of the exception of Java classes given below. First of all, a throwable class is inherits by the exception class and error class. And exception, first of all, talk about the exception. Exception are the inherits the IO exception, class not found exception, and SQL exception, and a runtime exception. There are the IO exception and SQL exception is the checked exception, and the arithmetic exception and null pointer exception and number format exception, index out of bound exception. Those are the unchecked exception. Then the runtime exception also inherits by the arithmetic exception and null pointer exception, number format exception, and index out of bound exception. Index out of bound exception is also inherits by the array out of bound exception and string out of bound exception. These are the exception in Java, and error class is a stack overflow error and virtual machine error and out of the memory error. The uncheck check exception is the write a program and to the like the throw throw is run in throw is run throw exception in 10 seconds, 10,000 seconds. That is the example for the check exception, and unchecked exception is the program runtime shows the unchecked exception. Thank you.